Hey everyone! Looking for a working Hostinger coupon code in 2025? Well, I've got you covered. And this one can save you up to 85% instantly, no tricks. Why Hostinger? Hostinger is hands down one of the best web hosting providers right now, not just because it's cheap, but because it's fast, reliable, and beginner-friendly. And now with their new AI website builder, you can create a full website in just minutes. No coding, no stress, just check the link in the pinned comment. The discount gets applied automatically. No need to copy or paste any code manually. How to apply the coupon. 1. Click the link in the description. 2. Choose a plan. I recommend the Premium or WordPress hosting plan. 3. On the checkout page, your Hostinger discount is already active thanks to the auto-applied promo code. Simple as that. Who should use this? This is perfect for bloggers just starting out, small businesses wanting fast WordPress hosting, anyone who wants an AI-powered website builder without paying a fortune.